Did you know aluminum is the most commonly recycled metal across the globe? Except for chain link, most metal fences installed today are made of aluminum, with fencing styles crafted of high-grade quality material to mimic the details of wrought iron. It looks terrific in residential and commercial applications. In fact, for the right homes, communities, commercial properties, and public sites, low-maintenance aluminum fence styles may prove to be a cost-effective choice over the long term. All aluminum fencing styles gracefully endure environmental punishment, including dirty pollution, harsh chemicals, and extreme weather. And aluminum fencing provides no-hassle, low-maintenance decorative security for your home and property. Most aluminum fencing styles include lifetime guarantees against defects in workmanship and materials. Some also offer unconditional warranties against cracking, peeling, or chipping. Aluminum fencing styles are a terrific choice when considering a durable fencing investment for your home or property. All aluminum fencing styles we install carry our Hal Co installation guarantee. Backed by our over 3 decades in the fencing industry, Hal Co gives you confidence in your professionally installed aluminum fencing. Contact Hal Co Fence today.